Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Priorities. I'm Anuj Rana and today I'm going to tell you that how can you turn off likes on your any Instagram post. So sometimes people they get very few likes on their any Instagram account and sometimes they feel embarrassed when it's shown to other people that a person has got a very few likes. So, what you can do, Instagram has a feature where you can turn off all the likes and it can be hidden from all other people, but you can see how many likes you're getting on that. First of all, your Instagram should be properly uploaded in your Android phone. That means you should have the current version. All right. So, let's go ahead and log into our Instagram account. So that will bring you to the home page. Now you need to tap on your display picture, which is on the bottom, and you will go to your profile page. After getting this profile page, you need to select the post where you're getting a very few likes. Let me select a post for you. All right, let's see this one. It has a very few likes, like only 14. All right. So I'll tell you how can you hide these likes. On this post, you see the three dots on the top corner. You need to tap on that. It will open the menu box for you where you will have different kind of activities or different kind of um, activities that you can perform over here. So let's come to the point hide like counts. You see the third option from the bottom. You need to select this one. And once you are selected, like account hidden. It is confirmed and your job is done. See, it was so easy and simple. So that's all for today's guys. However, if you need any other information from us, like if you want me to make videos on any other topic on any of your social media account, just let us know in the comment box. And also do let us know whether this video was really helpful for you. All right, guys. So stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.